stock, crypto, credit moves. Good evening. Happy Sunday, YouTube. Just want to do a quick withdrawal video on Novatech. Funds were received. Cash out was completed yesterday. Funds were sent. I got an email here just confirming the cash out. And then maybe like 15 minutes later, I actually received my payment. So transaction fee is about $15, $20. So I got $478 to my wallet. So NovatechFX continues to impress. It's been around since 2019. It's continuing to grow. It's a Bitcoin hedge fund that pays passive income weekly to their investors. So on my balance of $18,000, I'm making between $500 to $600 a week. So you do the numbers, that's between $2,000 to $2,500 a month. Passive income straight into my wallet. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just sharing how I'm making passive income online. Love to have you on this channel. Like, share, subscribe. Until next time, signing off.